The universe is vast and mysterious, and humanity has always been fascinated by the secrets it holds. To unravel these mysteries, scientists have built powerful telescopes that enable them to observe the universe in ways that were once unimaginable. One such telescope is the Kepler Telescope, which has played a vital role in discovering new worlds beyond our solar system. The Kepler mission was launched on March 7, 2009, from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. The telescope was placed in an Earth-trailing orbit, which meant that it followed the Earth's orbit around the Sun, but slightly farther away. This allowed it to have a clear view of a large area of the sky, without any interference from the Earth's atmosphere or the Sun's glare. The Kepler telescope was named after the famous German astronomer and mathematician, Johannes Kepler. Kepler was known for discovering the laws of planetary motion in the 16th century, and the Kepler telescope was designed to continue his legacy by searching for planets outside of our solar system. The spacecraft was equipped with an advanced camera that was capable of detecting even the smallest changes in a star's brightness, allowing it to detect planets as they passed in front of their host star. The telescope's first observations began on May 12, 2009, and it quickly started to discover exoplanets. In fact, it was so successful that it discovered more exoplanets in its first few months of operation than all of the previous exoplanet discoveries combined. One of Kepler's most significant discoveries was the Kepler-22 system, which was announced on December 5, 2011. This system was particularly exciting because it contained the first confirmed exoplanet in the habitable zone of its star. The habitable zone is the region around a star where the conditions are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet, which is considered to be a key requirement for life as we know it. The planet, Kepler-22b, is about 2.4 times the size of Earth and orbits its star every 290 days. While it was not yet known if the planet had an atmosphere or if it had water on its surface, it was a significant step forward in the search for potentially habitable exoplanets. Another significant discovery made by Kepler was the first exoplanet to be smaller than the Earth, which was announced on January 10, 2011. This planet, named Kepler-10b, was about 1.4 times the size of Earth and orbited its star every 0.84 days. However, it was far too close to its star to be habitable, with surface temperatures reaching up to 1,300 degrees Celsius. Despite these successes, Kepler faced some technical challenges during its mission. In May 2013, one of its reaction wheels, which were used to point the telescope, failed. This meant that the telescope could no longer maintain a stable pointing direction, which was necessary for its primary mission. However, NASA engineers were able to come up with a solution that used the pressure of sunlight to stabilize the telescope, which allowed it to continue its mission. Despite these challenges, Kepler continued to make groundbreaking discoveries. One of its most notable discoveries was the TRAPPIST-1 system, which was announced on February 22, 2017. This system contained 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which were located in the habitable zone of their star. TRAPPIST-1 was located about 39 light-years away in the constellation of Aquarius. The planets were all very close to their star, with orbital periods ranging from 1.5 to 20 days. However, because their star was a red dwarf, which is much cooler and smaller than the Sun, the planets were still in the habitable zone despite their close proximity to the star. The discovery of the TRAPPIST-1 system was particularly exciting because it provided further evidence that Earth-sized planets in the habitable zone of their star are common in our galaxy. It also raised the possibility of finding life beyond Earth, as these planets could potentially have liquid water on their surfaces. Over the course of its mission, Kepler discovered more than 2,600 exoplanets, and its data has been used to study a wide range of astronomical phenomena, including star formation, supernovae, and even the shape of the Milky Way galaxy. Kepler's mission officially came to an end on October 30, 2018, when it ran out of fuel and could no longer transmit data back to Earth. However, its legacy lives on through the wealth of data that it collected, which will continue to be analyzed by astronomers for years to come. The success of Kepler has paved the way for future exoplanet missions, including NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, TESS, and the James Webb Space Telescope, which was launched in 2021. These missions will build on the foundation laid by Kepler and continue the search for potentially habitable exoplanets and signs of extraterrestrial life. The Kepler Space Telescope may no longer be in operation, but its impact on astronomy and the search for extraterrestrial life will be felt for many years to come. Hope you like this video about the Kepler Telescope. And if you like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.